fucking murder you. No! I'm gonna swallow your fucking ass. That's gonna be it. This is the end of your fucking days.
I said unhand him!
How the tables turn! Thank you, Mr. Meadow Man. Much obliged to you. And as for you, you stupid rube, not the first time I've been persecuted for my scientific curiosity. Have a really bad day, sir. Toodles. You, sir, are a scholar and a gentleman.
I'm sorry, okay? Don't murder me. It's just, the guy was fucking my chickens.
What?